In this video, I will show you how to create a fancy felt princess mask that is sure to please your child's heart. It can be sewn on a machine, by hand, or with glue. Thanks to the ready-made patterns, it is very easy to make. As a gift, you will also find a mask for self-coloring and a mask ready to print. I will show you a special type of fastening so that you can easily adjust it to the child's head. So let's jump right into the enchanting world of crafting and let's start it. We will need felt, threads, scissors, vanishing markers, hot glue, elastic band, plastic cord lock, hole punch or needle, and clips. Prepare pattern with the title Princess Mask Part 1 and cut it out. Remember about the holes for the eyes, cut them too. Then place it on the yellow felt and outline its outer shape and eye holes with vanishing marker. And now cut holes for the eyes with small scissors. Prepare patterns with the title Princess Mask Part 2 and cut them out. In this pattern, cut holes for the eyes just like before. Place patterns on right color of felt, outline shape with vanishing marker and cut them out. Place face on yellow felt so that a chin meets this line in this place and sew it with white thread. The bottom thread is yellow. Lay the eyelashes in this place so that the lower edge touches the holes for the eyes and sew it with black thread. Above the eyelashes, put the eyebrows and sew it with brown thread. Take this paper pattern and cut out the inner shape. Place it on dark pink elements so that they are overlap and draw the inner cut shape. Then cut out the smart shape. Put the white element underneath and fasten it with clips. Sew both pieces along the inside edge using pink thread. Then put the mouth on the face 50 mm from the bottom edge and sew along the edge with pink thread. Next, take nose. Place it in this place and sew it with white thread. Prepare patterns with the title Princess Mask Part 3 and cut them out. Place them on the right color of felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Place the hair on the top in this place to match a drawn line and sew it with yellow thread. The bottom thread is yellow too. Put the headband in this place so that it covers the top of the hair and sew it with pink thread. In the center part, put a large heart and this element and sew them in the corresponding colors. Finally, put the earring pieces in these places and sew along the edge with light and dark pink thread. Now cut off excess thread along the hairline in these places and along the drawn lines here. Next, take this paper pattern again and make holes in the places of dots. You can use hole punch or needle. Now place it on the left side of the mask so that they are overlapped, and draw dots with a vanishing marker in the places of holes. Put the plastic cord lock on the elastic band. Press here and put end of the elastic band to the first hole. And now to the second hole. Apply hot glue in the places of dots and attach ends of the elastic band. The princess mask is ready. Just put it on the face and adjust the size of the back with the plastic cord lock. If you would like to make another face mask for kids, click on this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye!